Hey there, I'm going to show you how to access my open office in a couple of different ways in case you would like to come to my office hours. So when you log into our OHS, I made a brand new module for my open office. It's going to show up as the first thing right here on this bar at the top, or you can access it by clicking on the Content tab. I'll do it that way. And then it'll be the first thing on the left-hand side. So Open Office, and there's a little diagram with some quick little notes about what Open Office is and the days and times that I offer the session. So it's Tuesday through Friday from 3:30 until 4 o'clock. You don't have to come, but this is when I'm holding these sessions in case you need help on anything in the class. In order to get there, you're going to have to open a link. This does not show up on your CC schedule. You have to actually open the link yourself. So you just click the link and it'll say enter your name as you would like it to appear in the session. You just click your name and then it should download the session for you. And then that's where you will click it to open it and you'll be able to get into the open office that way. Another way that you can do it without having to go into our OHS and click this link every single time you need help, we can try something a little bit different. So I'm going to close out of this download window, and hopefully you know that when you download something, it goes into the downloads folder on your computer. So I'm going to open up my file manager and my downloads folder, and you can see that this is where that open office Blackboard link got placed. And what I'm going to do is actually put it on the desktop of my computer. So I'm going to minimize all of this real quick. I'm just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to rename it. So you can do that by right-clicking, rename. And I'm going to call it, let's see, we can call it whatever you want. Mrs. Powell's office, and then the times. And it won't let you do the colon. But 3:30 to 4 o'clock, just so that I know that if I ever need help from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, I can just click this link right here and it will open up the Blackboard room for my office hours. You can see that it's opening right there. And obviously, if it was the appropriate time of day, I would be in there waiting for you. But that's a couple different ways that you can access my office hours. You can just do it by going into the OHS like this, or you can save that link onto your desktop so that it's really easy for you to access it anytime that you would like to.